If you use 3, 2, you know that that's x and y. Subtract 6 from both sides.
I think the top question for most students, if you ask any math teacher, will be that they will ask, when am I going to use this, or why are we learning this? Sometimes you'll be given 2 points. Bringing in the STEM specialist to show that they're using it in their job every day, it has some meaning beyond just numbers and letters on a page.
3, go. 2, 1.
Mathematics is a tool. And it's a tool I, as an astronomer, use every single day. I can discover things about the universe by using mathematics. One of the things that kids tend to miss when they're learning mathematics in school is that mathematics isn't the end.
We use a lot of mathematics when we're building a robot, in terms of algebra and trigonometry and calculus and physics.
And I think if people knew that more and it was explained to them and they were just immersed in it a bit more, they'd be more enthusiastic about learning it.
I guess I'd want a specialist to be kind of 2 people in one. One that could address a specific topic, so I could call on them and say, we're working on this unit, this lesson.
So my slope is 2.
We would plan a lesson together about a certain topic that they would have some connection with in their job.
This is the Hubble Space Telescope.
So that piece, would be great that I could call on them just for that.
We create a right triangle. By bringing a specialist into your classroom, you're going to provide the one thing that a textbook just can't provide. You're going to provide real-world, practical examples.
We see a lot of our students just struggle with problem solving in general, multi-step problems and going through and really persevering through a problem. So if I could bring a specialist to come in and talk to them about how I do these complex calculations and that you shouldn't give up.
We'll call this D as the distance to the galaxy. We don't know what the solution is. There's no answers in the back of the book. So what we have to do is we have to analyze the problem and go at it 16 different ways. You just can't give up when your first approach doesn't work.
And then you just go ahead and you work out that and solve.
Yeah, when you have a student that struggles and then they finally get it, I think that's the greatest reward for that, to see that light bulb go off and they're excited, I've got it, and they can move forward on their own.
It came from our heads, it went to our hands, and now it's on the floor and it rolls around and it shoots balls and it interacts with other things. It's an amazing feeling of accomplishment.